So we're walking down this particular street and got some kind of cool looking gargoyles and kind of cool stuff like that. And we're gonna show you more about it very soon. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Another gargoyle here. Got this kind of cool looking place right up there. Got like a way thing up there, like a little crosswalk that goes between the two buildings, which is pretty interesting as well. There's the other gargoyle and all these buildings here, and they overlook all those buildings over there. Whoa. Edificios Panorama. So let's walk down a little bit, see where this one goes. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. There's even a bus stop up here, 35 bus. And that's like Taipa Bikini up there. You can see the mountain up there. So that mountain, if you hike up there, and I have hiked up there before, you can see quite a bit in that area. Okay, so let's just keep on going here, and in a minute we're gonna see. See this one? It's like you can park right here and right down the hillside like that. You wouldn't think Macau would have this much cool stuff everywhere, but it does.